Hello and welcome. In this class, we will talk about artificial intelligence. We will see some real life examples. So, let's begin. What is artificial intelligence? AI stands for artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating machines and software that can think, learn, and make decisions like humans. It enables computers to do tasks that usually require human intelligence, such as understanding language, recognizing images, solving problems, and improving themselves over time. Let's see real life examples of artificial intelligence. Virtual assistants, self-driving cars, autocorrect, and predictive text on your smartphone. Face ID unlocking your phone, smart traffic lights adjusting to traffic flow in real time. Thanks for watching.